We are here in Umladkhur village, and here this is the EMRS project that's going on, and it's coming up very well. We expect that the EMRS should be functional. The building should be complete by early next year, and the school should be functional by the end of the year. So it's a great project, and we're very happy that this project is coming up well.